Over the last 6 months, I've met the most amazing students and graduates, but I also noticed a pattern. Despite their academic achievements, most graduates seem to be having very low self confidence because they were unemployed after uni. With graduate jobs and internships being either cancelled or deferred, I can understand why their self confidence has been shaken. In this video, I'll be sharing 2 simple tips to help you rebuild your self confidence if you are unemployed after college or university. Let's dive in. Hello, and welcome. I am super excited to have you here. My name is Sal, and in this channel, we explore the strategies and the tools to help young adults design their own world. A world where you're not afraid to show up, speak up, and strategically get into action long before you feel ready. If you haven't subscribed yet, then hit the subscribe button to get notified every single time that I post a new video. The best thing about self confidence and building your self confidence is the more self confidence you have, the easier it becomes for you to creatively put yourself back into that job hunting game. I'll talk about creatively putting yourself back into the job hunting game in a minute. But for now, let's talk about self confidence. Securing a job has a lot to do with self confidence. If you are unemployed after uni or college, there's a pretty high chance that somewhere along the way you lost your self confidence and you stopped believing that it was possible for you too. If that's you, I have 2 tips to help you rebuild your self confidence. Tip number 1 is take the time to understand who you are. What are you proud of? What's your biggest achievement? What are your best qualities? What do you love doing? Remember, there is no such thing as a right or a wrong answer here because no achievement, no quality, no proud moment is too big or too small to contribute towards your self confidence. As you begin to know yourself better, you'll find that you make a more conscious decision to protect your time for the people and the things that you like and value the most. And that, my friend, is self confidence at its best. My second tip is complete tasks that bring you closer to your goals. Our circumstances, our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions can either make or break our self confidence. Let's imagine for a brief moment that my goal is to secure a graduate job within management consulting. The current circumstance in the UK is that so far only 18% of the graduating class of 2020 has managed to secure jobs. Now that I'm aware of these circumstances, I can't stop thinking about the limited opportunities for graduate jobs. Now, let's look at the same situation differently with the current circumstances unchanged. The current circumstance in the UK is that so far only 18% of the graduating class of 2020 has managed to secure graduate jobs. Awareness of these circumstances now mean that I can't stop thinking about how I can creatively showcase my communication and my project management skills to my potential employer. As I contemplate about this all day long, I come up with a plan to literally bring my CV to life so that I can clearly show my future employer what value I bring to the table. Every single time I think about it, I start to feel excited. And as a result, I put my application forward. In my application, I decide to include a 3-minute video and a written proposal briefly mentioning what I plan to do in the next 6 months after joining the team that would also bring the company closer to achieving their 1 year, 2 year, or 5 year plan. The fact that I have sent an above average application and completed a task that brings me closer to my management consultant role makes me feel more valuable. It makes me like myself more. Regardless of the outcome here, my self-confidence increases. To recap, in order to build or rebuild your self-confidence to start or continue your job hunt, you need to take the time to know who you are. And then you need to complete tasks that bring you closer to your goal. I know the second tip may have sounded a bit random at first, but can you see how completion of a task can help you feel like a winner? I'd love to help you rebuild your self-confidence so you can feel empowered to design your own world. You can download my free guide with 5 powerful questions to help you gain more clarity of your next steps. You know what they say, clarity equals confidence. Take the time to really dive deep and explore any or all options that might sound interesting for you. And please, try not to put too much pressure on yourself to find the answers straight away. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next one.
To book Sel for a keynote or workshop, go to www.selamard.com/speaking.